Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of b. If we have b multiplied by b multiplied by b is equals to b plus b, and here we need to solve this problem for all the values of b. So here first you focus into the left hand side and you see here these are the three same variable terms are multiplied by each other. So here we need to sum up the exponents of all of these three values. So we have b to the power of 1 plus 1 plus 1 becomes here b cubed, and this whole equation is equals to, here again these three same variable terms are added by each other. So here we need to sum up the coefficients of these three values, and it will becomes again 3b. And further in the next step, you see here this equation will becomes in cubic form. So it means that this equation has three roots, and now we need to find all that three roots of this equation. So here the next step is we move this 3b from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will becomes b cubed minus 3b, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you see here both of these two terms involve b, so that here we need to take common b from here, and here we get b square minus, here we get this is minus 3 only, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And in the next step we need to divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write b equals to 0, and the second case is we write b square minus 3 is equals to 0. This is the first root of the given equation, and from here we move minus 3 to the right hand side, and it will becomes b square equals to plus 3. And here our target is to find the values of b. For this we need to take square root on both of the sides, and when we apply square root on both of the sides it will be written as in this form. And now this 2 and this square root are gone, and we will get here b is equals to plus minus square root of 3. We know about that when we apply square root on both of the sides, we will write here plus minus sign on any one of the sides. So we write this into the right hand side. So here we get these are the three roots of the given equation, in which b equals to 0 be the one root and b equals to plus minus square root of 3 be the two roots. So here in the next step we need to verify that is all these three values of b are satisfied our given question statement or not. So for this we need to verify these values, and we copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is b multiplied by b multiplied by b equals to b plus b plus b. And here first we write our given question into the simplified form, and you know about that b multiplied by 3 times is written as b cubed, and this b will be written as 3 times of b. And in this side we will be verify the positive value of b, that is square root of 3, and in this side we will be verify negative value of 3. So here first we verify these two values, and at the last we will be verify b equals to 0. Okay, so we move towards the verification of these two values, and here first we substitute b equals to square root of 3 on both of the sides of this equation. So when you put it here, it will becomes square root of 3 and its whole cubed equals to 3 times of square root of 3. And here you know that these are the exponent of the exponent, and these are the exponent 1 over 2, and this exponent is 3. So here we move this 3 inside this exponent, and it will be written as 3 cubed and its whole square root, and we check that is this equals to 3 times of square root of 3 or not. And now here we again break this 3 cube as 3 square multiplied by 3, and we check that is this equals to 3 times of square root of 3 or not. And here we know about that this 3 square becomes 9 times of 3 is equals to, this is 3 times of square root of 3. And in the next step we know about that square root of 9 becomes 3 times of square root of 3 equals to 3 times of square root of 3. This shows that the value of b is equals to square root of 3 is satisfied our given question statement. And now here in the same pattern we will be verify the second value of b, and now we put b equals to minus square root of 3 on both of the sides, and it will be written as minus square root of 3 and its whole cube equals to 3 times of minus square root of 3. And in the next step, here we need to take the cube of negative term, and we know about that the cube of negative sign becomes negative. And here we apply this cube root, we apply this cube exponent inside the square root sign, and it will be written as square root of 3 cubed, and here we have this is minus 3 times of square root of 3. And further in the next step, here we need more simplifications, and it will be written as this is minus times of, we write this 3 cubed as 3 square multiplied by 3 is equals to minus 3 times of square root of 3. And here you know about that this is minus times of square root 3 square becomes 9 multiplied by 3 equals to minus 3 times of square root of 3. And this implies that this is square root of 9 becomes minus 3 times of square root of 3 is equals to minus 3 times of square root of 3. So this shows that again both of the sides are equal. It means that the second value of b is equals to minus square root of 3 is also satisfied our given question statement. And here in order to verification of b equals to 0, if we just verify b equals to 0 here, when you put b equal to 0 on both of the sides, then you clearly see here it will becomes b is equal 0 equals to 0. This means that all these three values are satisfied our given question statement. So finally we have the solution set of this question is 0 and plus minus square root of 3. So this is the final solution set of this question, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.